Hi, my name's Meg Sullivan. I'm the course leader of the BA Photography here at Hastings. It's a fantastic course. Photography is a fantastic subject. It can take you to places no other subject can. It's the most democratic form of art, photography, as more photographs are taken every day than any other form of art. It's a science as well as being an art. It's a technical process, it's a thought process, it's something that saturates our world every day, and that makes it incredibly relevant to study at BAE level. Our students have the opportunity here to do a multitude of projects as they progress through the years. So in the first year, we spend quite a bit of time in the darkroom and in the photographic studio, getting the students really acquainted with the techniques and the technology. They come with a vast range of prior experience before they arrive. Some have done GCSEs and A-levels in the subjects, and some are more mature, but have got a really keen passion in the subject. So we guide them through in years 1 and 2 using all the processes and the techniques with the underlying core theories as well attached to images, how we respond to them, what we see when we look at them, how we create them, how we embed them in our everyday lives. And from there, the students can take this subject into any direction they want.
The academic side of it is actually what appeals to me even more so than just the photography. I think I'm not actually now looking to go into commercial photography, which is what I originally thought I'd do the degree for, so that I could prove to people I was good enough, but actually looking to pursue the art education, going on to the masters, and then possibly working as an artist after I've, fingers crossed, got that.
We've got some fabulous facilities here on the top floor of Station Plaza in Hastings. We've got a purpose-built studio the students can use any time they want to, and it's always easy to get a booking in there. We've got a fabulous darkroom that we have access to as well as up-to-the-date camera technology, medium format, large format, wide variety of lighting. Got some fantastic staff here who work with our students, including sessional and visiting lecturers who come in for, sometimes just for a one-off session.
I think the main thing for coming to study in Hastings, it's such a vibrant college, it's such a vibrant town. There's a big artist and photographic community already here that has, and there's lots of exhibitions, lots of talks and discussions that are organised by organisations like Photo Hastings. So it's, there is a big kind of, I suppose, network already here for you to sort of tap into and become part of.
I've really loved over the last 2 years going back to studying full time. I'm classed as a mature student, but it's been a really nice way for me to do it, studying at Hastings campus, because it's so supportive, and the environment has been really, really supportive for me. I have got 2 children at home, so I wanted to be able to do something that was close to home. I've been able to stay living where I live and just walk to college every day. The contact time with the tutors is by far the best thing that I can think about with this course, because I know that people going to other unis do not get the sort of contact time that I get with my tutors here. They are so supportive. Any time that I've needed any help or guidance, one of them has been able to step in and guide me.
I think in terms of coming here to study, if you've studied elsewhere, if you've been in a larger college, which is very competitive in terms of time, Hastings College offers much greater access to your tutors and facilities. You have much more contact time, and if you really are serious about studying photography, then this is an excellent place to come, because you can really immerse yourself in your studies and you have the support you need.